Hello friends, so today we are going to sketch these exercises by using Solidworks. I hope you enjoy. We are going to start by these circles with radius 50 and radius 43, and we sketch this straight slot. You see this straight slot and this one. I hope you enjoy. Let's start. Okay, file, new, part. Okay, choose front plane, sketch, choose circle, draw two circle from origin. Okay, smart dimension, one circle with, you see this radius 32, this outer circle has radius 32, and this inner circle has radius 43. Okay, 64 diameter, and this has 43 diameter. Okay, 43 diameter. Okay, then sketch slot, two straight slot. Okay, okay, you see, then add the dimensions from this origin up to this one. We have 43, and from this point up to this we have 50 millimeter. Okay, dimension from this one up to this point we have 43. Okay, and from this point up to this one we have 50. Okay, so this slot has radius of, outer slot has diameter of 26. Okay, this has diameter of 13. Okay, this has diameter of 26. Okay, this is good. So assign this one. So start by drawing this arc. You see this arc with radius 15. You see this arc. Okay, choose circle, draw circle. Okay, assign diameter of 100 diameter. Okay, you see, select this, make it construction geometry. Okay, then assign this slot. You see, go to slot, select this 3-point arc slot, 3-point arc slot. Start from this one up to this. Okay, you see, another slot. You see, then assign dimensions. This inner slot has 11 radi, outer slot have, inner slot have 4.5 radi, outer slot have 11 radi. Yes, okay, smart dimension, this outer has 11 radius, this inner slot has 4.5 radius. Okay, you see, then give this distance 39. Okay, select this point and this point, give 39. Okay, you see, assign this distance 31 from this point up to this one. So assign this okay, give sat1, okay, you see. So it is fully defined. We are going to assign this, you see, this line and this line and this arc, you see. Then choose 3-point arc. Start from this one, come here, move back slowly, make this line position, you see. Then assign this arc and this one, choose 3-point arc, assign from this side, you see, okay, and choose 3-point arc, assign from this one, see, okay. So assign this line, you see this line and this one, okay. Choose line, assign from this one up to this, okay. Choose another line, assign from this circumference up to this one, okay. Move back to touch this, okay. Then give this dimensions. This arc has 11 radius, okay. Assign dimension, give this arc 11 radius, okay, and give this one 21 radius. This has 21 radius, okay. This has 21 radius and this has 21 radius, okay. So select this arc, control key, this one, make it tangent, okay, and select this one, control key, this arc, make it tangent, okay, you see. Select this one, control key, this, make it tangent, okay. Select one and this circumference, make it tangent, okay, you see. Do it for this arc, control key, tangent, okay. This control key, tangent, okay, okay. Select this line and this slot, make it tangent, okay, see. Select this one and this slot, make it tangent, okay, see. Select this line and this arc, make it tangent, okay, you see. Now my sketch is fully defined, you see. So I'm going to trim, use trim entity to cut this, to have this shape, okay. Choose trim, so trim this one, okay, you see. Trim this, okay. Trim this, okay, you see. It's good. Trim this and this one, you see. I have my shapes, you see. This is good, okay. Say okay. So this sketch is have to be extruded up to 25 millimeter, you see. So then go to features, extrude boss base up to 27 millimeter or 25 millimeter, okay. Select contour, then choose this face, you see, this one, you see, and this one. So say okay. So friends, this is how to design different parts, different objects by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed. Select make white plane, you see. You can assign any color you want by default. Select this part by default, appearance, select select the color. Okay, let's see, say okay. So friends, this is how to design different part by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So subscribe to our channel to get more videos. So friends, thank you.